Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, do us a favor, click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a meat sauce pasta. This is beautiful. Let's not hang about. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. We've got our ground beef or minced beef, whatever you call that, 600 grams, one regular size can of tomatoes, plum tomatoes, one nice large tomato cut into small pieces, 1 cup or one long stalk of celery, half a dozen olives of your choice. I'm using black, you can use green. These are actually a Kalamata. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And then here, 1 onion cut nice and small. You can use any pasta that you want. Get your pasta ready. My pasta's already cooked. I just recommend when you cook your pasta, just don't overcook it. Make it a little nice kind of tight bite on it, you know, al dente. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, bit of salt and pepper. That's about it, I think. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I've got a generous amount of olive oil in there. Heat is on. We're going to drop in our onion, our celery, our olives. Now my olives are black Kalamata, they've got the stone in. Take them out if you want. And we're going to add our garlic. So want a kind of lively heat, above medium heat, as you can see in here, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. So just a couple of minutes just to kind of bring that together. Now we're going to drop in our minced beef or ground beef. I've got 600 grams here. We're going to stay on this heat and we're going to work this in for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Keeping it moving pretty much all of the time. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to drop in the fresh tomato. We're going to add the oregano and the chili. Now don't worry about that amount of chili. Like a teaspoon or so of chili is not going to give it a crazy hot flavor. It's just going to give it a nice little tiny kick. Nothing too much. Salt. Black pepper. Another 4 minutes staying on this heat. Once again, moving nearly all the time. Wonderful stuff. Very simply, we're now going to add in that 1 can of plum tomatoes, which I've just roughly chopped with my hand. Well, when I say chop, I mean crush, don't I? I just sort of give them a little squeeze. Stay on this heat for another 3 minutes. Once again, stirring pretty much all the time. We are really nearly done, and this is going to be delicious. Fabulous. Okay, get it to just above a simmer, not an exact simmer, just a little bit above, and let that go now for 6 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Now, isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, really lovely. Nice and easy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop a little Parmesan cheese in. Now, I've got some fresh grated Parmesan. Please don't use that kind of dehydrated stuff you get. It's really cheap in little plastic bottles. It really is horrible. Like, it's better that you don't use it. It really, I mean, it's just the worst thing ever. Smell it, that's what you need to do, and you'll know. So a bit of fresh Parmesan in there. Then we're gonna add our pasta. Now, I've got 250 grams of pasta, uncooked. Now, most packets of pasta come 500 grams. So you want half a packet, obviously. Let's get our pasta in there. And like I say, you can use anything you want. I'm using these little ears. We're going to turn the heat up to maximum. And I'm going to get in there for 3 minutes, throwing it around, mixing it together. We want that lovely meat sauce, the garlic, the oregano, the chili, the onions. We want it all mixed super well. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. A little bit more Parmesan there. Ready to serve. What we've cooked there is enough for 4 people, I think. Or 2 fatties. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.